The chest to wall handstand. So the chest to wall handstand is a nice way to get a supported handstand, so using the wall for balance, but it brings up your endurance in the handstand and helps with mobility on the shoulders. So things to think about: protraction, so pushing the shoulders forwards as you elevate hard into the handstand position. When you protract your shoulders, then you should be able to elevate your shoulders more and subsequently pull the hands back. Now, the other things to think about, it's not just a shoulder exercise, it's also a hollow body. You want to have some tension in the rest of your body. So you want to have this position, the hollow body with the rest of your body, engaging the glutes, legs glued together, and obviously breathing. So when you hold a handstand for any length of time, you don't want to be doing deep breathing, you want to be doing shallow breathing. Deep breathing tends to mess up your position in the handstand, whereas shallow breathing will maintain it. So to get up there, you're starting on the plank with your feet on the wall, and then walking your way up. Come as close to the wall as possible, then protract, elevate, and make sure your eyes are looking between your hands. Then make sure your pelvis is tucked, legs are glued, and think again about staying nice and tall. Make your way down safely, just walking down the wall. So here's what it looks like. But you'll be doing it on the wall. And that is your handstand, your chest to wall handstand.